What's up everybody, Dees here, and today we're doing something super easy. Once again, we're doing a fast and easy beef and broccoli right in the Instapot. Why dirty your pots when you can use the Instapot? Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so. And once I show you how to do it, you'll know how to do it. So let's get started. What you're gonna need is beef cut into thin strips, broccoli, minced garlic, minced ginger, now this is optional, vegetable oil, brown sugar, sesame seed oil, some cornstarch, some water, and some soy sauce. So we're gonna hit our Instapot on to saute. We're gonna get it nice and hot. And we're gonna go ahead and add in 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. We're gonna go ahead and add in 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of minced ginger. We're gonna get that lightly browned, and we're gonna go ahead and put in our beef. Then we're gonna go and put in half a cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. We're gonna mix it all together, and then we're gonna go ahead and put in our half a cup of water. Close the lid, put it on high pressure for 8 minutes, and we're gonna be doing a quick release. Once that's all done, we'll open it up. It's nicely browned, nicely cooked. We'll go ahead and add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to thicken up our sauce. Now, if you have your broccoli pre-cooked, you can put it in at this point. But if you don't, you can do what I'm going to be doing and adding in my broccoli. And that's 2 to 4 cups of broccoli. Give that a stir. Make sure everything is kind of mixed in there. Close the lid, put it on high pressure for 1 minute. And then that's it, it's all done. Serve it with a nice bowl of rice. There you have it, beef and broccoli. Super easy, super fast in the Instapot. Make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time for a quick and easy recipe. Take care, be safe.